Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for being here. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here and for supporting us. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. In our today's video, we are going to show you some metal and the furniture decoration ideas and design that will inspire you. So let's get started. Metal has been a favorite material for furniture design and the decorators for the centuries. Its durability, strength, and the versatility make it an excellent choice for creating unique and the stunning furniture pieces. There are endless possibilities when it comes to using metal in furniture design, and with the right ideas and the inspirations, you can create beautiful metal furniture that complement your interior design and style. Here are some metal furniture decorative ideas and designs to help you to get started. The industrial style metal furniture trend has been popular for many years, and it shows no sign of slowing down. Metal is a perfect material for creating this style of furniture, and it can be used to create anything from coffee table to chairs and even lighting fixtures. Consider using raw or distressed metal furniture to enhance the industrial look of the furniture. Metal ancient pieces can be used to add interest and depth to any room. Consider using metal sculpture and voila to create focal point in a room. You can also use metal candle holder, vases, and the other decorative items to add a touch of metal to your decor and without going overboard. Metal wood are a match made in furniture heaven. The combination of warm wood tone and the rustic appeal, cool metal finishes create a harmonious and a visually appealing contrast. Consider using metal legs on a wooden table or using metal drawers pull on a wooden dressers. Geometric shapes are hot trends in future design, and metal is a perfect material for creating intricate geometric pattern. Consider using metal wire or tubing to create a unique geometric shape for chairs, tables, and even for the light fixtures. Brass and gold ancient are classic choice for adding a touch of luxury and the sophistication to any room. Consider using brass or gold finishes on metal furniture such as coffee table and the ancient chair. You can use brass or the gold ancient on decorative items such as lamp, mirror, and the picture frames. Metal glass and metal are a perfect combination of creating sleek and modern furniture. Consider using metal frame with glass tabletop or the coffee table or the side table. You can also use metal and glass shelves to create a unique and the modern bookshelf or display cases. Rustic furniture has a charm that is hard to resist, and metal is a perfect material for creating rustic furniture pieces. Consider using metal with a rusted finish to create a vintage look for chairs, tables, and even lighting fixtures. You can also use metal ancient on wooden furniture to create a rustic touch. In conclusion, metal is an excellent material for creating unique and the stunning furniture pieces. From industrial style furniture to the rustic pieces, there are endless possibilities when it comes to using metal in a furniture design. These ideas are inspired you to create a beautiful metal furniture and complement your interior in a better way, and it will help you to reduce your carbon footprints. And so keep watching. There are the several benefits of using metal furniture and then decorative pieces in your home. In your interior design, metal is a durable material that can withstand wear and tear, making it an excellent choice for furniture that will seem frequently used. It's also resistant of moisture and the pest, making it ideal for the outdoor furniture. Metal can be shaped and formed into a variety of shapes and sizes, making it versatile for furniture design. It can also be finished with a variety of colors and textures to match different interior design and the styles. Metal is strong and the sport heavy.